Take off the sewage tank. Buckle the sewage tank on the handle. Install vacuum hose and suction hose. Remove brush. Brush installation. Squeegee assembly lifting handle. Angle adjustment. Battery charging demonstration. Open the buckle. Pull down the handle. Open the water tank to see the internal parts. Pull out the vacuum hose. Link main power plug. Lift up the handle to see the battery. Water level switch. Machine operation. Add cleaning agent to the clean water tank before use. Add clean water. Open the sewage tank lid. Add appropriate amount of defoamer or anti-foam solution. Swipe the chip card to turn on the machine. Vacuum motor switch. Brush tray switch. Water release switch. Eco mode. Cleaning effect display.